Hey everybody, welcome back to Bird Temple Tattoo!
Well, I gotta unload it soon before they declare that goddamn historic land.
Alright, Mom, we're gonna go elk hunting.
Okay.
I'll call you if Fred needs anything.
Bye, numbers.
Say bye to Mom, Red.
Bye.
Bye. Alright. Pretend I'm an elk hunter, y'all. Because I'm not an elk hunter, and neither is my dad. Okay, Red. Yes. We're gonna have to look down. We're on top of a mountain. Feral cat. Feral cat. Hold still, Red. It's gonna maybe run off into the woods. No, it's gonna scratch our truck, our car. I meant. Okay. I see a duck. That's just a fake duck. It's a decoy for the other ducks. Okay. There's some swans right there. Look, check it out. If we're gonna be here, we're gonna have to be quiet. Horses. Alright. Hey, come here. What is it? I found an elk. Oh, I got a pretty good one.
Russian hour is over. It's Kentucky time. Everybody who's a red-blooded American, please exit the premises.
Why, you smoked him. He's lying down. Ha! Look at the size of him. You're getting really being pretty good at hunting there, Red. Yeah, look at him. He's so big. I know, man. He's so big.
You know there's a difference between
And Mom is gonna be proud. She can maybe cook something with it after we cut his head off and stuff it. Good idea. Let's cut his head off and stuff it. It's just gonna be him like he's stuck in a wall. And people are like, didn't Mama Elk ever tell him not to bash into houses? Yeah, oh, Red. I'm pretty surprised that you're behaving. Mom, we got a surprise for you. Remember that deer you cooked? Remember the deer that Grandma cooked?
Yeah.
That she gave to us?
Yeah.
Well, we can find someone to cook for this. Look at how big he is.
Wow, cool.
Red shot him all by himself.
Awesome.
He's been behaving since our hunting trips.
Good job.
Alright, well, I think that's just the elk hunting, and it's not elk hunting season today, but pretend it is in a video. If you like elk hunting, subscribe. Like and subscribe, so see you guys soon. Bye.